Hello, this is Mr. Noisy, and I'm going to sing something explosive. What the heck? Mr. Noisy, what are you going to sing? Yeah, I don't know what you're going to sing. I'm going to sing, but I'm going to sing Looking at the Colors. Alright, do not sing that song. This is exploding. Alright, let's sing that song. Why, she's got out. All the gals and friends are doing 90 days of non-support. Trying to find me an executive position. The latter has to do with I thought you wouldn't listen to the fact that I was a genius in the fancy. Go on, I was a genius. Now I got this sadly depressing little line message looking at the countless news. Well, I should be singing air conditioning instead of swivel chair. Talking the trash to the secretary, saying, hey, well, come on over here. Instead of stuck here, rubbing these fingers with the rag, and walking home and talking on shoes, and looking steadily depressing all about my message, looking at the cowboy. You know what, man, I might feel that he should be smoking on a big cigar. Until I get on some street, it's just that the way in this horrible suit moving these cars. All I can do is to shake my head. You might not believe that it's true. Looking at this end of Niagara Falls is an undiscovered Howard Hughes. So baby, don't expect to see me with the double Monty V. They hung like years because I got there. Sadly depressing, well, that line message. Looking at the coast blues. It's not like you take a letter. Yeah. We'll get those headphones up on the 60 afternoon off. Baby, don't expect to see me when you don't want TV in it. I press to say you use. You've got this steadily depressing mood. Looking at the coast blues. Yeah, I got this steadily depressing mood. Well, my looking at the coast blues. I'd like to preach something. I'll put a big Sammy. So, it's the episode with Mr. Noisy doing Working at the College News. You have Steve in your vacuum cleaners. My dog took care of. I think he disappeared. What the heck? I think you have explosive case. Oh my, what, Mr. Noisy, I think you have exploded yourself. No, I did not explode, so I mentioned in my video. I'm Mr. Electric. What you gonna do with your quick one? Inside Out 2 is out. You explode your case where you watch Inside Out. Oh, come on. Explode your state's anxiety.